What's up, you guys? This is your girl, Ann. Y'all already see I'm out and about. I decided to do my walk and go to the bank and do whatever all at the same time. So that's what I'm doing. It's hot out here, too. I have to take this jacket off in a minute. I'm trying not to, though, because you know how that's how you easy to catch a cold or whatever. But it is literally hot out here. Plus, I'm walking fast. Plus, this car need to hurry up. I want to go slow mode. Thank you very much. And I'm trying to cross over with my sassy self. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to take y'all all the way in where I'm going, but who knows? I feel like you guys need 2 videos today. What y'all think? Because I didn't upload yesterday. I don't know. It was just one of those days. Let's just keep it at that. But anyway, guys, I really don't like to talk about the race card, but unfortunately, we live in a world where it's always the race card thrown out there, right? So, why is it that that's what they say. I'm not sure because I do have a lot of African American supporters. But why is it that we don't like to support us? You see what I'm saying? I don't get it. And it's like I have a lot of African American friends. But why is it that my white friends is quick? Y'all don't hear me now. I'm going to say it again. Quick to jump and click that button. Why we got to go back and forth with each other? That don't even make no sense. So, yeah, I just thought I'd just give y'all a little tidbit. Because I ain't trying to start preaching. Because that's pretty much what it is. But, and then I feel that, maybe they just saying, she's just getting started. Let me see what's going to happen first. Then I'll click that button. I don't know. I just thought I'd say what I say, because you know me. I'm going to say what I'm going to say regardless. So, but yeah, this is a long walk, you guys, but I do it every day. So it's like, I'm not showing nothing because knowing my clumsy self, I liable to show a streak. So, no, that ain't happening. So, y'all can see that I'm outside. That's all that matters, right? And then it's like, with me, I'll be having my earphones on, and trust me, I'll be bouncing. Cars be passing by looking at me like, what is this lady doing? Trust me, I'll be bouncing. Because then, I don't know, I think I'm weird when it comes to working out. Because I don't feel like I had a good workout unless I sweat. I don't know, how many people think the way I think? Comment below if you do. Because I really can't be the only one. I really can't. And mind you, I'm not even far from where I live. And I'm already sweating. So, I'm going to have to take this jacket off. I don't want to, but I got on the most anyway, so I don't know. Yeah. You already know your girl crazy. I told you. 5150. Just don't take meds, y'all. Just don't take the meds. I know y'all probably saying, well, maybe you need to. Nah, it's a difference. But yeah. Ooh, I'm already heading towards one light. It's like two lights down, y'all. So I'm already heading towards one light. Now I got to get to the second light. Yeah, good luck with that one. But no, usually I'll be running. But I didn't want y'all bouncing up and down. So, and plus, not only that, it's after 11 o'clock. So that's why it's hot now. Because normally I was doing it around 4 in the morning till I seen this big old, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was a dog, a coyote, or wolf. I don't know. I'm crazy, but yeah. I seen it running across. Mind you, I can't run fast. So here I am trying to run, and whatever it was going the opposite of where I was going, but still, you already know, soon something big like that see you. And I got meat on me, so I was like, oh shit. So I was like, that thing might like dark meat. I'm stupid. So I was like, let me start running. So from then on, I said, nah, you can't be running in the dark land. You gotta wait and do it when it's daylight so you can see who's ever coming at you. Even though, trust me, unfortunately, I had to get some pepper spray. Well, it's actually pepper gel because why? Oh my gosh. Yeah, you better keep going where you going. Oh, okay. Cause no guys, I'm not crazy. This car is turning around in circles, like making U-turns, like. And usually, for some reason, when I'm walking, somebody want to holler at me, and that's where I'm getting at. Mind you, I was jogging, I was running, and this car stopped and said whatever it said. I don't know what it said. I don't know what. I don't even know if it was a he or a she for that matter, because I didn't even see him. I didn't even take my earphones off because I don't know. I don't even want to know what he said or she said. I just kept on. I just gave the sign to go on about your business, and they did. Now this car is going slow mode, so I don't know what the hell this car is up to. But okay, y'all. See, I'm recording, so y'all can see everything, cause you already know people love recording stuff. Okay, and it's like, trust me, I can let you see, cause the car is going just as fast. It's moving as fast as I'm walking. So, what the heck? And it's a freaking construction. Oh, yeah, you better turn. You better turn. Yeah, go on about your business. That was weird. But yeah, y'all, I'll be having some weird experiences, especially when I'm trying to work out. It's like people won't leave you alone. Especially, I mean, yeah, I'll be shaking my butt, but it's mine. I can do it. Like Billy used to say, it don't matter what you got on, that does not give anybody the right to touch. So it's like, now that my protector is in heaven, I'm really going through it. I'm like, oh man, they're trying me for some reason. But oh my gosh, I'm hot. Y'all pray for me. I might need to call somebody and say, come get me. Nah, I'm good. I just need to take this jacket off because I am literally hot. Hot, hot, hot. So, ooh, y'all see me struggling. Oh, here we go. Freaking weirdos. I call them wackadoodles, y'all. Y'all already know what it is. Here we go. Okay, here we go. I'm struggling, but whew, hope y'all can see me still. Well, y'all don't need to see me. Y'all know what I look like. Y'all, as long as y'all hear my voice. Oh my gosh, it's hot. All right, y'all. I'm heading towards the second light. Mind you, this is a long stretch. A long stretch. I'm like, oh my gosh. Damn, now how in the heck? I don't even know how I'm going to. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Oh my gosh. This guy, he's skating. Now, that's what I need, y'all. But shoot, I ain't been on skates in so long. I'll hold it because I can't hold the foam in tightest in a knot. One, some would say I can't walk and chew bubblegum at the same time, but whatever. It's kind of hard. I mean, if I had my selfie stick, then I could have easily done it. But no. Ooh, maybe I'll go get one. Because I do need one. Well, maybe we'll go get one, y'all. Y'all buying it? I say we. But I say we is because I'm taking y'all along. So far, so good. I don't know if I'm going to get. Ooh, this is a long walk, seems like. Mind you, I haven't really did it in a while. It's because I've been working out inside. But I decided to come out because, first of all, I have errands to run. But not errands. Well, I don't know. It might be errands. And I was like, uh-oh, y'all, a video. So, 2-in-1. Ta-da! So, yeah. Only reason why I don't have this mask over my nose, y'all, is because y'all see these glasses. They'll be fogged up. So, I was like, oh, shoot, this weather is bipolar. Now it's a little breeze. Oh, dang, it's a lot of people out exercising. Now this guy coming towards me tipping. I call it tipping. They don't be really jogging, they just be tipping. But he stopped now. I guess he's tired. I don't know how you can be tired of tipping, but okay. See, here we go. See, he doing his, y'all see. See, here we go. I don't know if y'all can see that far. But, yeah. He doing something, though, because, oh, shoot. He exercising on the corner. How cute. That's something I do. Just to get me an audience. Oh, he running across the street, y'all. Ain't that cute? Look at him. Y'all see him. He should be hot. Because I don't see how anybody can run with a jacket on. I mean, I ain't even running, so I'm walking. And I have to pull mine off. So imagine if I was jogging. Whew, nah, I couldn't do it. But I guess he want to sweat more. Okay, y'all. Sorry, I don't know what y'all saw there, but